Is it really possible to earn passive income without all the hard work? Today, I'll show you the laziest method to get started on ClickBank. In this video, we're diving into the world of ClickBank and exploring the laziest method for beginners to start earning passive income. If you've ever dreamed of making money online without the hassle of traditional work, you're in the right place. If you want to see more videos like this, please support the channel by subscribing, sharing, and liking the video. We'll break down simple strategies that require minimal effort while maximizing your earnings potential. From selecting the right products to promoting them effectively, we'll guide you step by step. This engaging and informative approach will not only capture your interest, but also equip you with the tools you need to succeed. So, whether you're a complete novice or looking to streamline your existing efforts, stay tuned as we unveil the secrets to making money with ClickBank effortlessly. Step 1. Create a ClickBank account. To get started with the laziest ClickBank method, the first step is to create your ClickBank account. Begin by visiting the ClickBank website, where you'll find a user-friendly interface. Look for the Sign Up button and click on it to initiate the registration process. You'll be prompted to fill in your personal information, such as your name, email address, and payment details. It's crucial to provide accurate information to ensure smooth transactions later on. Once you've completed the form, take a moment to read through the terms and conditions. Agreeing to these terms is essential before submitting your application process. You'll have your ClickBank account ready, opening the door to countless opportunities for earning passive income. Step 2. Choose a profitable niche. Now that you have your ClickBank account set up, it's time to choose a profitable niche. Start by researching trending niches using tools like Google Trends, which can help you identify what's currently popular among consumers. Look for areas that not only pique your interest, but also align with your expertise, as this will make your promotional efforts more authentic and enjoyable. Once you have a few options in mind, evaluate the competition in each niche. A niche with moderate competition can indicate a healthy market, while also providing opportunities for you to stand out. Additionally, assess the potential profitability by examining the average commission rates and product demand. By carefully selecting a niche that combines your passion with market viability, you'll set yourself up for success in your ClickBank journey. Step 3. Find high-converting products. With your niche selected, the next step is to find high-converting products on ClickBank. Start by browsing the ClickBank marketplace, where you can explore a variety of top-performing products tailored to your chosen niche. Pay close attention to the gravity score, which indicates how well a product is selling. A higher score typically means greater popularity among affiliates. This metric can help you identify products that are more likely to convert. Additionally, take the time to read reviews and product descriptions to ensure the quality of the items you plan to promote. Quality products not only enhance your credibility, but also increase the likelihood of satisfied customers. By carefully selecting high-converting products, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your earnings through ClickBank. Step 4. Set up a simple landing page. Now that you have your product selected, it's time to set up a simple landing page to drive conversions. Utilize platforms like WordPress or Wix, which offer user-friendly templates to help you create an attractive page without any coding skills. Focus on crafting compelling headlines that grab attention and clearly communicate the benefits of the products you're promoting. Don't forget to include strong calls to action that encourage visitors to take the next step, whether it's making a purchase or signing up for more information. Additionally, ensure that your landing page is mobile-friendly, as a significant portion of users browse on their smartphones. A visually appealing layout, combined with engaging content, will enhance user experience and increase the likelihood of conversions, setting you up for success in your ClickBank journey. Step 5. Drive traffic to your landing page. With your landing page ready, the next step is to drive traffic to it. Start by utilizing social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, where you can promote your products to a broad audience. Create engaging posts that highlight the benefits of your offerings, and don't hesitate to use eye-catching visuals. For quicker results, consider investing in paid ads, which can effectively target specific demographics and increase visibility. Additionally, engage in forums and online communities related to your niche. By participating in discussions and sharing valuable insights, you can establish credibility and subtly direct traffic to your landing page. Remember, the more targeted traffic you attract, the higher your chances of converting visitors into customers. By combining organic and paid strategies, you'll maximize your reach and boost your ClickBank earnings. Step 6. Analyze and optimize your results. Once you start driving traffic to your landing page, it's crucial to analyze and optimize your results. Utilize analytics tools to track visitor behavior and conversions, providing valuable insights into how users interact with your page. Pay attention to metrics such as bounce rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to gauge performance. Testing different strategies is essential. Experiment with various headlines, calls to action, and promotional methods to see what resonates best with your audience. A/B testing can be particularly effective in determining which elements drive higher engagement. Based on the data insights you gather, continuously refine your approach to enhance effectiveness. By staying adaptable and responsive to your analytics, you'll be able to maximize your ClickBank earnings and create a more successful online business over time. In this video, we've explored the essential steps of the Laziest ClickBank method for beginners. We started by creating your ClickBank account, then moved on to choosing a profitable niche that aligns with your interests. Next, we found high-converting products and set up a simple landing page to attract potential customers. Driving traffic through social media and online communities was crucial, followed by analyzing and optimizing your results for better performance. Each step plays a vital role in your journey toward earning passive income through ClickBank. Now it's time for you to take action and start implementing these strategies. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video for more valuable insights. Your journey to success begins today, so don't wait any longer.